But they had the soap in here. There's empty. I could not find any cases. I mean, I'm not sure if I have this one already. Sweet plum and jasmine scented. But I want the new one though. They're up there, but no more cases. I have the microfiber cloths, 5 pieces for $150. Oh, big one. So many Nescafe over there. Nescafe. Are these new? Look at my nails from Dollar Tree. Look at that. There's so many ingredients. I just want to try it. Where's the barcode? Right there. There's the coaster. They got the Mickey and Minnie, the Stitch, and the car cleaning brush set. And looking for what else they give ideas for the car accessories. You get some bag, small bag. What glues? Any glues you needed? This one. Like that's the gray one, the black one. That is the inside. That's the $3. Let's count it. Like $3. Bling bling license plate. They have the pink one. I think they have the white and the black one. Good. The ice cream bowl set. Do I need it? I'm not sure if I need it. Oh, that is cute. The mini costume mini. Oh, it's squeezy too. That is so cute. Oh, and also the game. Oh, the bowling one. It's cute. That is cute though. They also have more games. Oh, the Tamagotchis are back. Seen this? Oh, that is so cute. There are 3 pieces with this is tumbler and the flowers. And oh, the fries, the cherry. I have this. Oh, juice box holder. I'm looking for this. And it's a cute 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, conditioner. And also the Toy Story one, 3-in-1 shampoo. Like the 6 pieces cosmetic blush set brush. That is the Sally Hansen. Oh, that's it. Brush. I need any makeup brush. Yeah. A stunning lip tint. Okay, I'm looking for the new one, tinted lip oil. I think I've seen that. And this one's back. I still have so many Marie Claire in here. What is the Rolex, the restocks? They all like restock. You still have so many of in here. I'm looking for the new one, the Ardo one. The hair accessories. Oh look, what's this? Oh, what? Let me take a look. Gummy. This is the smooth matte idea lip cream. What else? They're all the same. I think they're all only two. The matte lip cream. Have I sent this one already? Body cream gel. The lemon, the blue one. They have so many in here. That is, oh, I think I've seen this one. Yeah, I've seen that.